So what is mediation? It's not about getting you back together. It's not therapy. It's not going backwards. It's actually a future focused resolution to help you sort out problems with my help and support outside of the courtroom. There is this myth that when people come to mediators, I'm going to help them get back together. So I always make it very clear at assessment meetings, they need to know what my role is. Obviously, if there was any room for reconciliation or they're under that misconception, I'm going to signpost them off to counsellors and therapists to get them back together. In mediation, we don't only look at the legal issues, so we are able to look at other softer issues and topics like communication difficulties, boundary setting, which I think is beneficial to the parties, because from my experience, often it's those issues that need to be resolved before the parties can be sensible and think about the legal rights and responsibilities. So that's, in my view, another plus point and a bonus, because courts are not going to be bothered about these soft issues, and certainly your lawyers probably not going to be too bothered neither. But to you, the clients, it's very important to have these issues aired and discussed and hopefully reach some understandings to allow you to move forward. What are the key benefits of mediation? Well, let's face it, it's going to be damn sight cheaper than going to court and litigation. It's quicker. There's a huge backlog in courts. Even when there wasn't lockdown and COVID, we were still having delays. We're still having cancellations. It's exacerbated now. You remain in control. I always say to parties, surely you want to make the decisions for your children, and about your finances, or do you really want to give that decision-making power over to a judge, a bench of magistrates? I know that, I'd probably say 25% of cases may need to be in that forum because of the complexities of their case and various other ingredients that might be engaged in that case, but 70 to 75% should be sorted out outside a court. It's a kinder, compassionate, dignified way of resolving disputes. And as I said, one of my key motivators in setting up this service is that you can share space, with your children, and the